Alpha Finance Lab DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Alpha Finance Lab is a decentralized finance DeFi platform designed to deliver innovative, user-centric solutions in the DeFi ecosystem. This platform stands out for its unique suite of products, including Alpha Homora, a leveraged yield farming protocol, and Alpha X, a decentralized derivatives trading solution. It caters primarily to DeFi enthusiasts and experienced crypto traders looking to optimize their earnings through leveraged positions or advanced trading strategies. What impressed me the most is Alpha Homora's ability to simplify leveraged yield farming, making it accessible to users without technical expertise. You can borrow assets directly within the platform and reinvest them to maximize returns. It's user-friendly, with clear guides and an intuitive interface that even DeFi newcomers can grasp. The risk management features, such as stop-loss mechanisms and detailed liquidation thresholds, provide a sense of security when dealing with high-leverage positions. For traders, Alpha X offers perpetual swaps and customizable leverage options. The fee structure is competitive, and the platform ensures low slippage through liquidity optimization. What I found particularly valuable is their integration with Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, which ensures lower gas fees and broader accessibility compared to Ethereum-only platforms. Security-wise, Alpha Finance Lab undergoes rigorous audits and integrates risk management at every level. During my usage, I encountered no technical glitches or security concerns. However, as with any DeFi project, understanding smart contract risks is essential. In terms of community and support, Alpha Finance Lab maintains active channels for troubleshooting and updates. Their transparency about upgrades and protocols reassures users about their commitment to continuous improvement. Overall, Alpha Finance Lab is a versatile and efficient platform tailored to users seeking high returns and flexible trading strategies in the DeFi space. However, it's best suited for those willing to learn and manage the risks inherent in leveraging or trading derivatives. If you're experienced in DeFi or ready to deepen your knowledge, this platform is a powerful tool that can help maximize your crypto assets. My experience has been smooth, productive, and educational, making it a top recommendation for advanced DeFi users.